Hello, myself Dr. Kulbhushan W. Pawar from Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज R.B. नारायण राव बोराव के कॉलेज श्रीरामपुर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर. Friends, today we are going to see the topic that is the gardening style. The topic is from the third year BSc. Paper is horticulture and floriculture. There is paper, fifth paper, that is the horticulture and floriculture. In that there is the chapter ornamental horticulture, and from this there is the gardening style of the gardening. In last video we had seen the famous garden of the Indias. Now there is the particular gardening style. The main objective of the particular garden is to recreate the people, is for recreation purpose, educational purpose. Then there are the different gardening style or different gardens laid out in a different style. As we know that the specific gardens having the specific forms, specific designs. To create the specific forms or designs, one should know the particular gardening style. So different garden have the particular different gardening style. Today we will discuss on the gardening style, basic gardening style, that is the formal garden, or then there is the informal garden, then there are the freestyle garden. These three basic style, and then after that there is the English garden, and then there is the Italian garden, Mughal garden, and Japanese garden in brief. Okay, so first of all there is the formal garden. Formal garden. Here in this style of the garden laid out in the particular this formal type of garden laid out, first of all there is the symmetrical pattern. Here there is the symmetrical pattern shall follow, means this gardening style or formal garden laid out with these some rules and regulation. Okay, rules and regulation means what? There is the following of the some rules. So it is laid out by the symmetrical pattern. Everything in the garden is in the particular straight line. Everything in the garden, whatever it may be, plants, lawns, etc., they are in the particular straight line, or there is the following of the particular symmetry. This in this type, gardens are either square or rectangular in shape. This is a important feature, either square or rectangular in shape. In this type, there is the garden that is either square or rectangular in shape. This is the most important feature. If you divide the garden by drawing the particular straight line, suppose this much is the area of garden, this is the square area of garden. If you divide the particular garden by drawing the straight line. One part of the garden, you can see here, one part of the garden is the mirror image of the other part. So, suppose another straight line here, means one part of the garden is the mirror image of the again the another part. Here also there is the one part of garden is again the mirror image of the other part. Okay, means what? There is the symmetry is follow. Suppose here there is the lawn, then this side having the lawn. Suppose here there is the some lake, then this side here there is the lake. Suppose here there is the tree planted, here this side there is the trees are planted. Suppose here there is the shrubs, then again means what? Means what? It is the mirror image of the other part. Means what? There is the, it follows the symmetrical pattern, or it follows the the particular rules. So if you draw the line, straight line, again it is the mirror image of one side is the replica of the particular other side. The arrangement of tree and shrub, here in this case there is the arrangement of the tree and shrubs are always geometrical pattern. Always there is the following of the geometrical rules, or what we call geometrical pattern are kept in maintaining the shape by trimming, or there is the particular what we call training. Okay, so here there is the geometrical fashions are here, and the shapes are maintained by the trimming, or one can say there is the particular training. For instance, there is the example of the Mughal garden. Mughal garden is of this particular type. And another one example, that is the Italian garden. Italian garden is again the example of the particular formal type of the garden. Then second one, that is the informal garden. Here in case of this, the object is to plant the tree. What is the object of the informal garden? Is to plant the tree in a natural ways. Here there is the without any hard and fast rule. Here there is the no hard and fast rule is follow in case of the particular informal garden. Only the objective is that there is the planting of the particular tree and for the decorative purpose. About the roads and path. Okay, about the road and path, they are not in the straight line. Okay, about the road and path, they are curved. Road and path are curved in case of the particular informal garden. Then irregular shape of the different water bodies here. In case of formal garden, there is the regular shape of water bodies maintained, but here in case of the informal garden, there is the irregular shape of the water bodies. Road and paths are the not straight, there is a curved road and path. Flower beds made up of irregular shape. Again, the flower beds that are made up from the irregular shape to conform with the surrounding, or as far as surrounding is to be concerned, the flower beds are made with the particular shape or what we call irregular shapes. plants that are grown in the particular natural form in case of the particular informal garden. Then for instance, in case of the informal garden, the Japanese type of garden is the example of the particular informal type of garden. Then third garden style, that is the freestyle. Freestyle garden. Here, in case of the freestyle garden, there is the combination. There is the good point from the formal garden and informal garden, or the combination of the good point of the formal and informal style. Means what? This is the mixed type of the garden. Here there is the combination of the formal type as well as the informal type. Means where there is no specific styles is follow. So what we call, there is the freestyle garden. The example of this type of garden is the rose garden. You might be see the rose garden at Ludhiana in particular Punjab. This is the again third freestyle. Means in case of formal garden, there is the rules and regulations, and that particular garden is made up from the symmetrical, and again there is the symmetrical, and again there is the as per as the plants is to be concerned, or as per as the particular garden, there is the geometrical fashions are follows. In case of informal garden, there is no hard and fast rules. Okay. In case of freestyle, it is the combination of the particular informal garden and informal garden. There is the combination of good points of the formal and informal garden. Then another one, that is the wild garden. Wild garden. Okay. This particular garden herbaceous border was particular explained by the William Robinson, and the developed by the particular M.S. Randhawa. M.S. Randhawa was developed by this particular style, and they explained by the William Robinson. So these are the 3-4 styles in formal type, informal style. Then there is the freestyle and wild garden. Then we can see here there are some example. First of all, there is the English garden. Word itself indicate that English garden, it developed during the 14th to 19th century. Okay, this particular English garden developed during the 14th to 19th century. The earlier garden of English people were the kitchen garden. Earlier garden of English people were kitchen garden. This English garden developed in the century of the 14th to 19th century, and the earlier garden of the English people were the kitchen garden, where they can grow fruits and vegetable or leafy vegetable and particular vegetable fruits. Okay, the grasses is the particular natural ground cover. Grasses is the natural ground cover in English countryside. Okay, the grasses is the natural ground cover in English countryside, because there is the mild, it is possible due to the mild climatic range. The concept of English garden is that they should look like the concept of English garden is that they should look like the country style. It should be look like to the particular countryside. Then the main features of the English garden, there is the particular lawn. Okay, then there is the herbaceous border. Then there is the rockery, and there is the particular flower bed. Okay, flower bed. So here the main attractive features of the particular English garden, that is the lawn, then herbaceous border are there, then rockery, and there are the different sort of the particular flower bed. Okay, then next garden, that is the Italian garden. Italian garden. This particular garden, Italian garden was extension of their particular lavish palaces. This Italian type of garden is the extension of the lavish palaces. There are similar to the Persian and the particular Mughal garden. It is similar to the Persian and the Mughal garden. In this type of garden, or in this Italian garden, the use of heavy masonry is of great importance. Here there is the use of heavy masonry is very important. This particular word means for the particular stone work. Okay, then the main features of this garden, that is the decorative urns. Then there is the fountain. Then there is the particular stone sculpture. Okay, so here hedges are also there in case of the Italian garden. So main features of the garden, that is the decorative urns. Then there are the different sort of the fountains. Then there is the stone sculpture. Then there is the again statues. Different sort of statues is there. Then there is the hedges. So these are the main features of the particular Italian garden. Then next garden, that is the Mughal garden. Mughal garden. This Mughal garden laid out the Mughal ruler in India. Okay, so this particular Mughal garden laid out in India by the Mughal ruler. Then in this Mughal garden, or these types of garden was introduced by the Babur. This gardening style or Mughal garden is introduced by the particular Babur in the 1494 to 1531 AD. Okay, so this type of the Mughal garden were introduced by the Babur in the 1940 to 1531. This garden laid out the symmetrical form. and are either square or rectangular. Okay, symmetrical form, either square or there is the rectangular in shape. Okay, so the Barber introduced the particular gardening style. This is a symmetrical form of the particular garden, Mughal garden. It is either square or rectangular in shape. It is divided by main features of the garden, divided by central water canal. The garden is divided by central water canal. Then when we going to the particular, see the entrance of the particular garden, there is the big gate. Okay, so the garden divided by the central water canal, there is the big gate. Then all sides of the garden, all sides of the Mughal garden, there is the particular wall is constructed to the all side of the particular garden. Then at the end of the garden, there is the big building. Okay, at the end of the garden, there is the wall to all sides. These are the main features of the garden, wall to all side. Then garden divided by the central water canal. Then at the entrance there is the big gate. Then the garden covered by the all side by the particular wall is constructed. At the end of there is the big building. For instance, there is the such a type of garden or Mughal garden. There is the example, well-known example of this particular garden, that is the Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal is the particular well-known example of the particular garden. And another one, there is the presence of the particular running water in the Mughal garden. So here there is the Taj Mahal is the example of this type of the garden. Then next garden, that is the Japanese style garden. Japanese styles garden. Okay. The Japanese styles garden is famous for their natural beauty and the particular calmness. Japanese type of garden is famous for their natural beauty and there is the calmness. There is the what are the important feature? There is the mountain, then a river, rivers is there, then lake, then island is there, then there is the bridges etc. are created in this particular style. The style, there is the mountain in this style, there is the mountain, river, lakes, island, bridges etc. are created. Okay, there are the three types of the particular Japanese style garden. There are the three types of the Japanese type garden. Number one, there is the hill garden. Second one, that is the tea garden. And third one, there is the flat garden. Okay, so in case of this Japanese style garden, there are the particular three types: hill garden, tea garden, flat garden. Okay, the hill garden made up of one or more hills design. One or more hill design with earth, mound and there is the wither stone. Okay, so in case of the hill garden, there is the hill design with the earth, then mound, and then thirdly there is the wither stone. So then the tea garden, it is attached to the tea house. It is attached to the tea house. Then it is the at the entrance, at the entrance of tea house, there is the water basin, or what we call, or there is the well. Okay, at the entrance of the particular tea house, there is the water basin, or there is the particular well. So the garden is attached to the tea house. That's why it is called as the particular tea garden. It is come into the Japanese style of the garden. And then there is the particular third type, that is the flat garden, mostly planted in front of the particular buildings, mostly planted in front of buildings. Okay, this flat garden mostly planted in front of the building. These are present mountain, valleys, or the meadow land. Okay, so these are the three types from the Japanese style of garden: hill garden, tea garden, and the flat garden. So friends, this is all about the particular gardening style. Okay, thank you.